quotes. If we want a string to span multiple lines, we can also use triple quotes. There's an example there. This address spans multiple lines and is still contained in one variable, address underscore string. When a string like this is not assigned to a variable, it works as a multi-line comment. This can be helpful as your code gets more complex. And then that's an example there. And the instruction is to create a variable called HiQ and store this HiQ as a multi-line string. Jimmy, do you wanna try to complete this?
Uh, it's not about that. I've got a question. Is it Python 3?
Uh,
It's
I'm pretty sure.
Python 2.
Yes, Python 2 is Python
Yeah,
2.
but I went on Python 2 and it's um it's not bringing up the code thing. It's just like
Um,
it's like it's
I can
like
help you out
Let's
there.
starting
address it
again.
after this
Yeah,
session. Yeah, you can give it a try
Like
again.
starting
So
again.
and we can if you still having issues, we can look into it after this session. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Israel, do you wanna try complete this task? Put your hand up if you wanna try and complete this. What's it? Level. Peace. Peace.
Yep, I do.
Okay.
So I think so. Let write haiku space equals space, and then in triple quotation marks write the old pond. A frog jumps in, colon, plop, with an exclamation mark on at the end. And make sure there are no spaces at the end of your lines.
So like this.
No, not like that. Use left of space in front of it. Lots of spaces in front of it.
Of this one.
No, in front of the line too.
This one.
Go from the A.
So should it be like this?
No, you've still got like two spaces in front of the A.
I do not. I do not.
And then you use a colon and correct. Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's see. You can try to find the error. It could be that. All right, then who wants to try to find the error? Israel. Israel.
I guess it's got the comma.
A comma. Yeah, that's correct. Oh,
Yeah, that's
yeah,
it.
nice. All right, let's see the next one now, guys. Um, Booleans. Sometimes we have a need for variables that are either true or false. This data type, which can only ever take one of two values, is called a Boolean. In Python, we define Booleans using the keywords true and false. A equals true, B equals false. A Boolean is actually a special case of integer. A value of true corresponds to an integer value of 1 and will behave the same. A value of false corresponds to an integer value of 0. And so that's the challenge on reset. That's the challenge. Someone has introduced themselves to you using the comments in script. So read the comments and then create a variable called age is 12 and says it to be true or false depending on if the person's age is 12. All right, who wants to do this one? Let's try to do a collaborative effort. Peace. Okay. Just put your hand up if you want to try help out on this one. We can all work together if you're stuck on it. Tara. Tara,
Huh?
do you understand this one?
Yeah.
Do you want to try complete it then?
Hmm?
You want to try complete this?
Complete the breeding code.
The instructions, yeah. Complete the
Yeah.
instructions. All right, then what do we do?
I tried this before, but it's like not seeming to work.
Oh, and what do you think we should do here?
I think
Tara. Okay then. What's it? Fakihinder.
You should put age is 12
Age is 12 like this, or what do you
No.
need to do?
with an underscore in between the words.
Yeah.
Equals false with a capital F.
Okay, can you explain why it's false?
Because it says that they are 21 years old, which isn't 12.
But what do these like hashtags mean?
That message is from the person who's introducing ourselves. Their comments.
Yeah, that's good. Right then. Stage 2. I also do instruction part 2. Create a variable called name is Maria and says it to be true or false, depending on if the person's name is Maria. Peace.
We should write name is Maria in the same style as age is 12.
And what do we do?
Space equals space true. Because
Okay, you can explain.
yes, I can. It's because it clearly in the comment says that hi, I'm Maria.
Good job. Right then. Now on this one. Hold on. Value error. Python automatically assigns a variable the appropriate data type based on the value it is given. A variable with the value 7 is an integer 7. It is a float and a 7 and comma a posh speech mark 7 is a string. Sometimes we will want to convert variables to different data types. For example, if we wanted to print out an integer as a part of a string, we would need to convert that integer to a string first. We can do that using str brackets colon. And then here's the example, and this is what the example will like. This is the code, and this is what it'll show. Similarly, if we have speech mark 7 and we want to perform arithmetic operations on it, we must convert it to a numeric data type. We can do this using int brackets colon. If we have a string that has floating point value such as 7.5, we can convert it to a numeric data type using float brackets instead. So that's the example. Using float on an integer value whether string or numeric, will convert the value to a float. There's the examples. The result of using int on a floating point value will depend on whether the value is a string or numeric data type. If you use int on a floating point string value, it will raise a value error. String underscore float 7.5. Print int string float. That's the example. And that's the error that will produce. Using int on a floating point numeric value, it converts a number to an integer by removing the decimal portion and rounding the number closer towards 0. Use caution when, that's a note. And instruction 1, you want to try to do this. Create a variable called product that contains the result of multiplying the float value of float underscore 1 and float underscore 2. Right, who wants to try to do this one? Shemilore.
Yes?
Do you want to try? Do you understand this?
No.
Oh, well, what do you not understand?
Mm,
Which part do you not understand?
I can't see that.
the third one.
The third one.
Yes.
So this one. This one.
No, you just passed it.
This one.
From the first.
be-
Yes.
Yeah, it might be from my side.
What do you not
Maybe
understand
my-
about it?
We're not there.
Yes. Yes, I
This
do.
one.
My internet
when
has
keep-
been messing up since this afternoon.
Okay. Israel, you had your hand up. Do you want to try to complete this one?
No.
Does anyone want to try to do this? Emmanuel. Okay. Okay. Ayo Mikun.
You put product in all lowercase equals float underscore 1 asterisk float underscore 2.
I guess. Olalewa.
I think before that,
error.
I think you
But
have
first-
to put.
Yeah,
Like-
sorry.
Right,
I
yeah.
think number 1. I think it should be like float 1 and then equals a number. Maybe 1.
I'll put it as 2.
Okay. And then float 2 equals. Okay.
Right then. So does anyone think there might be an issue? Enoch.
I think one of them is that the floats, it says one of the values is 2, which is an integer and not a float. And I think there's supposed to be a space between the asterisk.
So like this.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, you're right. That's good teamwork.
Yeah, well done, guys. That is good on everyone. That's even from Ayomikun to I don't know who actually responded, and also to Enoch as well. So that was good. But yeah, and I think if you don't put the space, and I think it will still work as well. Let's try that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the space is good because it makes it to be readable. Right?
Clearer.
Yeah, sound clearer. So let's see. But of course, it would be advisable to put the space. Yeah.
Oh, we haven't done the next stage, that's why. But it still works.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Then-
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, who wants to do instruction 2? Jimmy, you want to try to do instruction 2?
Um, you put, I'm not sure, but you put big underscore string is equals to
This is X.
the you do the string thing.
Yes.
Yeah, I think.
So like this.
Yeah, and then where you add the, I don't know if it's add or something, and then like make another like half the thingy, like where it says the product and then like the add sign and then another quote mark.
So
But I'm not. I think yeah.
so does anyone try and like help out?
I guess it would be the value equals to product equals to X.
So do you think we put 10 here? 10 here because it's 2 times 5. Peace.
You should no you should write X equals product and write the product was space STR in brackets X.
So like this.
Yes.
And then the product was
STR inside of the bracket, inside of the things. Yeah.
like this.
No, outside. Outside. Yeah. Out. Sorry.
Yeah. So like this.
Yes. No. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, does anyone think that a problem will happen? Put your hand up if you think there's going to be an error and explain why. Okay, I don't think it's an error. Let's see. Invalid syntax. Peace.
Maybe it's because we wrote it as a comment and not a variable.
Yeah, Enoch. I'm gonna try fix things.
Because there's no plus.
There's no plus, yeah.
What I was saying is where you put the plus.
So like this.
No, I think you can put
What's a
space
space?
after. Yeah.
And then the speech mark.
Ianu.
Maybe there's no quote mark.
No, I think this is right. Let's try run this though. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, you're right. Good job, guys. This is the final challenge now. Let's all work together to complete this. Great. So far we've looked at print statements, how to create and modify and use variables, arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, how to use comments to make your code easy to understand, different data types, including strings, ints, floats, and booleans, converting between data types. Then there's some resources that you could use. All right, let's start this. Jimmy. Jimmy.
I've been trying to go on the Python 2 thing, but it keeps bringing me something else, and it's about like index or something.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Just raise your arm or raise your hand. At the end, we'll look into it so that you can share your screen. We can check it out for you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right then. Let's complete this last stage. Who's to help Ianu? Oh, okay. Enoch, do you know how you would do this first stage? And then we can go to someone else for the second one, and so everyone works together. Enoch.
I think you have to make a variable called fill_completed. And then I think you can put quotation marks and then add the Python syntax.
All right, let's see if it works. Yep. Now, how do you stage 2? Iomicon.
I can't seem to get past the 13th one. I know we just did it, but it's not letting me go past.
Right, we'll help you at the end with Jimmy. Jimmy, do you have an idea how to complete this?
Is it exercises_completed?
I'll fix that. Yeah.
That's a sit.
You need you got the syntax.
Yeah, I know. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Then exercises.
Exercises_ completed, and then equals 13, and then the points per exercises points _per exercise without the extras. Exercise 5.
Right, let's see. Yep.
Yeah.
Do you want to continue to this next stage?
Sure. Point_total equals to 100.
Yeah. Let's see if it works. All right. Now, who else wants to help out to try and complete the next 3 stages? We'll get 2 people trying with the next 3 stages. Peace.
You're meant to write point total space equals space exercises completed space space times space points per exercise, all with underscores except for the spaces.
Okay, let's show that.
No, I meant add.
Okay. Like that.
Yeah.
Right, let's run it. I think it's supposed to be times.
Oh
Let's
yeah.
help out. Let's see. Jimmy, where do you think we went wrong?
I think Yeah, guys, that's good.
Jimmy.
Point total underscore total.
Yeah, well, where do you think we are wrong?
I maybe instead of equals, maybe add.
Peace. Do you want to try and help out too?
I think you're meant to put add points total at the end.
So exercise underscore complete
Or maybe
times
you got spelling wrong.
Pamela. No, it's not spelling because
Maybe instead of the equal sign, put
Using Bobby's dress, the way it does. I think you should say plus 100. That's the value of points total.
like this.
I can't see your screen.
I think that's just the problem on your side.
Yeah,
that won't work.
It
You
did
think we have
work.
to- It did work. Oh, my bad. Yeah. I want to do stage 5.
Should I?
Yeah, go on. You can do it.
So points underscore per underscore exercise equals
Be a real person, right?
and then
Equals.
quotation marks and then what that says, the amount of points for each exercise may change because points don't exist yet.
You can say why that won't work. Peace. Pamela.
You're meant to get rid of all of the things that you've done right now. Right, yeah. And then above the points per exercise, put a hashtag and then write the amount of points for each exercise may change because points don't exist yet. Those points don't exist yet. Yes, I am.
Friends. Why is this scissors?
Alright. Yeah. So Jimmy, do you understand why that won't work? What you tried to do before?
Yeah.
Right then, let's do the last stage. Come on. How we do this? Oh, let me scroll down, my bad. Jimmy, you wanna do it?
I'm not sure.
Right, who wants to help out? Peace.
I don't have my hand up.
Yeah, but do you want to try to do this last one? All right. Emmanuel.
Let's start. Who knows the command? The command that we need to use first. Which command do we need to do? Is it int? Is it input? Is it print? Is it output? Is it what command are we trying to use?
Print.
Print. Okay. How do you do print? Okay, over to you, David. You can carry on.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. How would you print?
You have to put print at the beginning of one of the sentences.
Right then, what's the next stage? It says print a string.
Equal.
So should we do equals, you said, Jimmy?
Pardon?
Or should we do this?
Because normally the print goes like not white, but like a different color.
Paramilary.
I think Ellen say print in quotes. I got 100 points.
No, like the print in quotation.
Yes.
marks.
The print in quotation marks as well.
Yeah.
So this.
No space.
No. What you were doing before, print. Then I got 100 points.
100 point. P point.
So who knows why this wouldn't work? This one. Well, let's just try it first. So we know the error. So we have to do
the string.
Yeah.
So do you do I got then the plus str
like this.
Can you mute it? Can you be muted if you're not speaking to us? Thank you.
So would this work? Paramilary. Jimmy, do you think this would work?
I'm not sure. I think so.
Let's look at the error. Peace.
There's supposed to be a plus in the
There's meant to be a plus.
Well done.
And then no space.
That is good. That is
that's good.
Yeah.
All right then. Yeah, that's the Python 2 part completed.
You need to put plus. Okay. All right. You've done.
Yeah, it's worked. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Well done, guys. That is really, really good. And what you guys have done is basically collaboration, which is really, really brilliant. As a developer, you might need to collaborate with people at work, and also you've also debugged errors as well. You can see there are a lot of errors or bugs that you guys are able to debug and fix along the line. So which I think for me, it's really, really good. I'm really, really impressed with what you guys have done. So thank you also, David, for doing this. This is really, really good. And also for everyone that have been able to contribute as well. So I think it's been really, really great to have you guys. So it's wonderful. Thank you.